Alright, so let me just go over some things with the Dongfang real quick. 50 SST. So this is the little cage I added. There's my belt in there, my little storage thing I got in there. That's my disc lock pouch. I can just change the headlights a while ago. I actually have a couple pairs of sets of them. Both of them are changed. What else did I really do to it other than what I showed in the other videos? Oh, that's painted, matched with that. I don't really show this side too often. So, got some more stickers coming. Got my tag on it, like I said. So one thing I realized that's different from the other Dongfangs that you see, they have 13-inch rims. These are 12s, but the tires are thicker, so they kind of make up for it. And they actually have thicker tires than these. I can make bigger if I wanted to. So definitely have smaller tires, but smaller rims with thicker tires. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Wanted to show real quick. About to go on a little ride. Real quick. Anything else I wanted to show on this thing? Oh, the little USB charger showing has a switch, 13.1. So yeah, it shows the battery. And that's pretty much it. How much miles I got on it right now? 224.4. That's probably like 220 with the big bore kit. So that's pretty much it. I'm about to go for a ride now. Alright, YouTube. Trying to get a little ride in before this rain comes. This is Florida, man. You can only... It was raining earlier. I worked. I'm back from work. Want to see if I can get a quick ride in before it rains. Rained yesterday. Didn't really ride. See how it goes. Hopefully I can get a good ride before it starts to rain. I can get a little far. Come on. There we go. Alright. So camera view might be a little different right now, but I have it where I want it. Alright, let's go. So I put a little, I made a little clip about what I did to the bike before I started this ride. And, oh, and I put 6.5 gram rollers in it right now. So, just to see how they do. You know, I don't know how they're gonna do. So, is it raining? No, not yet. Alright. Hopefully we can get a good ride in before it rains. Oh, way too high. Still high. Yeah, definitely higher than what I want it to be. So 6.5, not good. So let's just go around the block real quick. See how they do a little bit. But yeah, my RPMs are way high. And that's why you gotta tune. You know, that's why you gotta tune. And that's why you gotta test. But yeah, I wanted to see how they would go with the 6.5s. And now that I see that the RPMs are kind of high, I don't want that for this. I gotta keep it on the lower side. Yeah, definitely too high. Let's see what kind of speed we can get, might as well. I always say that, and it's like I'm always unsure on how this carburetor sounds to me. Yeah. I can hear how much louder it is. It's always windy before it rains. See how fast I can get. I got 50. Okay, it's a bump coming up. Gotta slow it down. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna put the 7s back in. I think I liked it with the 7s, and see how that goes. But yeah, 6.5 is too light for what I want to do. So at least now I know now, you know. But I did like the 6.5s and the 7.5s. So what I'm gonna do is come back around. It's not raining yet, so what I'm gonna try to do is go around, see what the max I can get with it, just to test it, and I probably won't go that high on the RPMs again with it. That's pretty much it. I don't want to go too high on the RPMs. You know, that's just my thoughts. So yeah, during this time, man, people staying home and stuff, I can say that for my job working, less traffic. That was one thing in the morning going to work, morning traffic. But when there's not a lot of people working, not a lot of morning traffic. So that's the only positive I can see out of all this. I mean, I'm still thankful I still get work because of the type of business I am, you know, so that's always great. And you know, I just hope this thing, like, pretty much hurry up and, you know, get over with. Like, go back to it. You know, I don't think it's ever gonna be back to normal per se, but it's definitely gonna be different. Going over these railroad tracks. Okay. Picking up speed faster. So my speedometer says way past 40, 45, 46. Okay, my RPMs aren't too high, but it's windy right now too, and I can kind of maintain 45, 46. I don't know. We'll see how these go, because my RPMs aren't that high right now. And it's windy. I mean, I can't wait to get on a day where it's not that windy. So, coming up to another scooter, I guess. Yeah. This he probably has a 50cc too. So yeah, I don't know. I might keep these in. I might keep these in actually. See how it goes. It's not too bad. Rain? Oh yeah, it's rain. It's rain. It's definitely rain. Okay. I'm telling you, I was on this the other day, and it was a guy on a motorcycle, and he swore, like, he was looking at me like, what the, everybody looks at me like, what the hell is that thing? And most likely their mind is like, it's a baby motorcycle. So just cut off on me. Like I said, I just tuned the carburetor yesterday. So I definitely get up and head of traffic, and I can definitely leave traffic in areas like this where it's 40 miles an hour. That's great, you know, because it picks up so fast to 40. So this is why I appreciate, you know, the big bore kits, because it's like you can get into it, you know, riding without, you know, spending a whole lot of money, you know, because I only spent $1,200 for this bike. It was a little under that, but, and then shipping was like $2. So, and I got it from Red Fox Motorsports. And, you know, just like everybody else that ordered a scooter online, shipped it to me. No problems. Sometimes a lot of police around here. Let me do the speed limit. So, no, I guess it was, I thought it was rain, but the sky looks clear up there. So, my wife is definitely getting used to me not riding. So, she's like, you were going a whole hour. I'm like, really? Was I? So I think it varies, you know, with top speed is going to vary from the wind, but like I said, as long as I get to 44, 45 in the wind, that's fine with me, you know, like that's great to me actually. So, and then eventually I told my wife, yeah, I'm going to get a bigger bike. She's like, we got to get a house first. So, you know, it's been it's gonna be almost 4 years in business, and I think I'm ready to just get a house instead of renting, and you know, that's just how it goes. You just gotta become an adult. Let me strap my helmet in. That's what's probably, I feel swinging. Definitely got to get another belt for this. It's back up. I had bought another belt, but it doesn't ride the it's my belt size is awkward. It's, oh, rain. Okay, rain is coming now. So I'm really not trying to ride in the rain like that. Let's see if I can get away from this, because this is Florida, man. You'll be in one spot and it'll rain, you go across the street and it's not raining, you know, like that's just how it is. So yeah, it's definitely starting to come down. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, or at least I should go back home. All right, well, be a ride in the rain. That's pretty much it. It's gonna be a ride in the rain because I'm heading home now. And then it feels like it stopped raining right now. That's how it goes. And I feel like I just drove right back in it. So I'm not taking any chances. There looks like it's fully raining. Okay, let's go home. All right, that's gonna end the trip. like just caught in the rain for any particular reason. And there's the sun. Florida, good old Florida. Gotta love it here. But actually after riding, my RPMs are not as high as I initially thought. Yeah, they're in the 8s, and I do have the stock crank on here. I told myself if I do, you know, wreck the engine or blow the, you know, or break my connecting rod, then I'll just upgrade to a 150. But or by then get a bigger bike, because I mean, you know, from all the stuff that I've seen with the big bore kits, as long as you don't overkill it, over rev it 9,000, 10,000 RPMs, you should be fine. Like touching 8 here and there, you know, shouldn't be that bad. Come on, man, what are you doing? And the way it sounds is like, it doesn't sound like a scooter. So like I just see people looking at me all weird. But then again, maybe people just like to look at bikes. I don't know, man. Did I look at bikes like that? I mean, I still do, I guess. If it's a nice bike, I'm like, oh, it's a nice bike. So. And how about this? Here's another story. My headlight, the new one that I ordered, because I said one went out, one of my other videos, and I ordered it, and I had put the same bulbs in that I had before, and how about the same one to the right started burning up on this side. So I pretty much took it out, resoldered the wires back together, because it just like melted together. So I cut it, resoldered, you know, the base and everything was still good. The other one, the old base, was bad. Yeah, I think it's running a little too rich, because it wants to bog down when it's idling. So I think that's what that is. I mean, I drive all day, so that's part of my job.